Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Cardano or ADA. The current price is 84 cents and a half. This is the monthly time frame, and I want to underline that we're really very familiar with the price chart of ADA or Cardano because I analyze it once or twice a month. So we've been following all technical patterns and formations here. So first of all, let me remind you that last year in the first half, the price skyrocketed. Then there was quite a volatile consolidation. And after that, in August, the price skyrocketed again, and it posted a sequence of new all-time highs because this is the previous all-time high from the previous, let's say, bull market. But the situation changed in the second half of the past year because we know that most of the major cryptocurrencies, they have been declining since November or since October, and this is what we have here in the monthly price chart. So we're familiar with this, let's say, sequence of bearish candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. So we had a sequence of lower highs and lower lows, so that was a bearish signal. Next, the situation started changing earlier this year when this Dodge formed. Yes, this Dodge had a local high below the previous one and a local low below the previous one, but after that we received in March a small bullish candlestick with a maximum at the level of the previous one and a minimum at the level of the previous one. So that was the initial sign in the monthly chart I want to underline, pointing to a potential, let's say, consolidation or break. And this is what we have now. We have another candlestick with a maximum at the level of the previous ones and the minimum, let's say, at the level of the previous ones. So we have some kind of consolidation because we don't have a sequence now of candlesticks with lower highs and lower lows. But I want to make a small warning because the recent candlestick, of course, till the end of the month or till the end of April, we still have 3 or 4 more days. It is a bearish candlestick. We have something similar to a bearish engulfing here. That's why the bulls should be really very cautious because it is a potential bearish signal pointing to a potential bearish, let's say, pressure or selling pressure or bearish renewal. That's why we have to be really very cautious because it may turn out that at the end of the month we will receive a bearish engulfing in the monthly time frame, and this is quite indicative time frame. Next, let's have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. We're also very familiar with all these ups and downs here. Let me remind you that that was the decline. We had mainly candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. Then during the first days of March, the price rebounded. It exited this, let's say, descending channel, and now the price is moving, let's say, sideways. If we take this piece of the chart, it seems that the price is moving sideways, and it seems that this, let's say, sideways movement is because of this potential, let's say, support coming from this consolidation that we had earlier last year. But we have to be really very cautious because at the moment the recent candlesticks are bearish ones, and they have lower maximums and lower minimums. So it seems that this is a renewal of the bearish pressure. So the bull should be really very, very cautious. Next, let's have a look at the daily chart. Here we have 3 moving averages. The first one is the 30-day moving average. Okay, let me start step by step. The first one is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. The price has been mainly below this moving average since the beginning of September, And at the moment, the price is below this moving average. Although we had recently some kind of rebound, we have to be really very cautious because the price is below the 30-day moving average. Also, this moving average is heading downwards. If we add the 90-day moving average, we have something similar. This moving average is heading downwards. The price has been below this moving average since the middle of October, so we have another bearish signal. Also, we see that the blue moving average was trying to surpass the purple moving average. However, it seems that we're very close to this to the end of this very small bullish signal, because it seems that this moving average are going downwards again. Actually, if they start moving sideways, we will receive a confirmation of some potential, let's say, consolidation. But at the moment, definitely the bulls should be really very cautious because the price is below these two moving averages. And if we add the 1 year moving average, it is obvious that we're significantly below this moving average. And I want to highlight that during the solid price increase, the price was above all three moving average. It was always above the green moving average. And since the beginning of December, the price has been now below this moving average. So this is a bearish signal. Once again, I will change my mind if I see a rebound and the price above these three moving averages. Then I will say, yes, it seems that this bearish pressure is disappearing. The bulls are trying to, let's say, regain control over the market, but at the moment we're below these three moving averages. That's why I would say that the bears are much stronger than the bulls at the moment. Next, if we have a look at the 4-hour chart, this is the 4-hour chart. There was an ascending triangle. The price was not able to exit the ascending triangle in the upward direction and to resume the uptrend. Instead, it exited the ascending triangle in the downward direction. Yes, after that we had a rebound. The price exited this descending channel that we've been following and that I commented on the weekly chart. So this is this descending channel or downtrend. The price has exited this descending channel or downtrend. But here, if we get back to the 4-hour chart, during this rebound, the price faced a lot of resistance from this local high and was not able to surpass this local high and reach the next local high. Instead, the price started declining, and now we are getting to the level of the previous local low. Actually, we're almost there. Of course, if the price rebounds now from this local low or from this support line, so if the price receives enough support here and rebounds, I will say the initial bullish signal will appear only if during this rebound the price is able to surpass this resistance level or the level of the previous local high. A small rebound won't be a bullish signal in my view. It will be just a sign that the bulls are supporting here the price, but it won't change, let's say, this bearish pressure. Only if the price surpasses these two local highs or this support resistance level, then I will start changing my mind and will say that the bearish sentiment is changing and slowly the bullish sentiment is appearing. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of Cardano or ADA as a comment below. I just want to sum up that in most of the major time frames we still have this bearish pressure. That's why the bull should be very cautious. I also highlighted some technical patterns and candlestick formations that I am keeping an eye on and that I think are important in order to be able to evaluate what the current sentiment is. So this is just my point of view. Of course, that's it for today. Good luck in the financial markets and thank you for watching.